Hey everyone, welcome to a peek inside Ms. Valle's ELA and Math blog. We kick off the morning with a read-aloud review to prep for our quiz, followed by a fast-paced 3-letter blend spelling challenge using sticky notes.
The word is strange. Strange. I feel strange today. I would say Carter's cat scratched him.
Finally, we wrap up ELA with typing club to train in typing skills and get ready for state testing.
Lesson 36.
After a short break, it's math time. Students dive into Zearn for digital learning, practice their skills on whiteboards, and finish strong with a multiplication quiz. It's all about engagement, learning, and fun in Ms. Valle's class.